Good morning, good evening, and good night. I'm gonna check the red hair. We're going to do a super quick video on what to do after your dominoes are made as far as putting a decal on the back. For this portion, I'm going to do sticker paper, and I'm going to do a vinyl decal. So if you are interested in seeing how it goes down, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Pricing. My lowest tier is the sticker paper. I get this from Walmart, like 20 pieces for $7, whatever the case may be. And then I place it on the, drop that. Hold on, wait. I thought that wasn't cute. On the black of the domino. So now I have my sticker paper on the domino. Like, oh my God, it's just paper. So my next step would be to add some type of vinyl covering so it can, be water resistant, the sweat of the hands, multiple play, because these are real dominoes. Like, they pass the snap test. So I'm going to show you how I seal these using this. I have my printed clear vinyl. I've already cut them out. You can't see it because life. I go ahead and I peel it off, literally just a clear, and I put it across the top. Of my domino. So now this sticker paper has the same Lord have mercy. The same dexterity as had it been an actual vinyl print domino. So you can play with it, again, you hear that sound? They solid. But you don't have to worry about that decal coming off. Alright, so we've done the sticker paper with the vinyl covering. Now we're going to talk about putting an actual vinyl, I like it's too bright, decal on the back of a domino. I have my hubby here to assist. He has my duct paper. He's going to cut it a small portion just to fit this so I can put them onto the domino. Faster. He's moving too slow. Boom. So now we have this. We're going to peel off the sticker paper. Put it on vinyl. Sorry you guys can't see because I'm not moving my camera. But now we have this. Rub, 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 scrap, scrap, scrap. You guys know how to apply. You should at least. So now I have my vinyl decal on the paper. And I have my domino. So I'm going to find my happy space. No, that's not that's not my happy space. It's a little crooked, but you're making a video, so that's okay. You would obviously want to center and apply it to be, and I have this. So with the permanent vinyl, I don't seal. I don't add anything extra. I may spray over it with like a quick gloss so it can be shiny, but these are how I do the things. Stay tuned for the next video.